Hi students. Students, now we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise number 6.1. In this question we have given one figure, and in the figure lines xy and mn intersect at O. This is line xy and mn intersect at O. If POY is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. Then find C. We have to find this angle. These two angles are in the ratio 2 is to 3. It not mean that A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. It is not mean that A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 3. Okay. So here since A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, this implies A upon B is equal to 2 upon 3. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि A is equal to 2 और B is equal to 3. अगर आप ऐसा लेके करते हो, that means आपका प्रोसीजर रॉन्ग है. ओके, हियर वी कैन राइट A upon 2 is equal to B upon 3. कैन वी राइट? 2 को इधर ले आया, B को इधर ले गया. ओके, is equal to K let. This implies A is equal to 2K and B is equal to 3K. समझ आ रहा है? A upon 2 is equal to K, that means A is equal to 2K, and B upon 3 is equal to K, that means B is equal to 3 into K. Clear? Now, from figure, see here this angle is 90 degree. That means the sum of these two angles will also be 90 degree. Okay, that means A plus B is equal to 90 degree. From figure, A plus B is equal to 90 degree. A is equal to 2K plus 3K is equal to 90 degree. That means 5K is equal to 90 degree, or K is equal to 90 upon 5 is equal to 18 degree. So therefore A is equal to 2K is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree, and B is equal to 3K, that means 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. So we have A and B, but we have to find angle C. See students, it's a line MN and OX. This OX stands on this line. Therefore, angle B plus C will make linear pair, and the sum of these two angles will be equal to 180, isn't it? Okay. So since ray OX stands on the line MN, this implies B plus C is equal to 180 degree by linear pair axiom. Clear? So B, value of angle B is 54 degree plus C is equal to 180 degree. So C is equal to 180 minus 54. So C is equal to 126 degree. So angle C is equal to 126 degree. Okay. So this is the answer. Clear students? So students, pause the video to note it down. Okay.